Hi everyone, welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach, where we believe relationships plus information plus action equals success. Today, I want to provide you 3 bookkeeping tasks that you must do. In the last video, we talked about accounting, and as we learned, accounting is very broad. When I worked in corporate America, we had a tax accountant, we had a fixed asset accountant, we had a general ledger accountant, an international accountant. We had an accountant for everything. We had even an accountant for payroll. For many small businesses, this is not the case. Usually all of those departments roll into one person, which is usually you, the founder, or one bookkeeper or one accountant. Seems overwhelming, but we know accounting must be done. And as we learned last time, accounting really is just a subset. Accounting is just tasks that we have to complete. And one of those subsets of accounting is bookkeeping. And many times, bookkeeping is a thing people do not want to do because you have to sit in front of your computer, you have to pay your bills, you have to invoice. That's not the fun stuff. You created your business to provide service, to serve people, to meet with people, to enjoy. And most of us don't enjoy bookkeeping. I do, but other people don't. So today, I want to provide you 3 bookkeeping tasks that you must do. So remember, bookkeeping is the recording of the business transactions. That's all it is. It's just the recording. So it's organizing, understanding how you invoice your client, how you pay your bills, how you do physical inventory, if you have inventory, if you create a product, what does that all entail? So bookkeeping is taking all of those tasks and turning those transactions into financial statements. That's all bookkeeping is. So here's 3 tips for you. So the number 1 bookkeeping task that you must do is bank reconciliation and your credit card reconciliation. So in one of the videos, talked about you need your own business account. So this is why that is so important, because you have to have a business reconciliation and a credit card reconciliation. So this reconciliation ensures that all of those transactions in your banking system is also in your accounting system. So if you're using QuickBooks or good old Excel, you want to make sure whatever is in that accounting system is also in your banking system. It's just making sure those 2 systems are talking to each other. Number 2, you want to ensure you have a budget. Many small businesses and nonprofits, they do not have a budget. A budget is just a roadmap. That's all it is. It will actually help you keep your expenses in line. It helps you generate more revenue, because if you have a goal, then you know what that goal should be. So utilize a budget, and you may say, well, I don't know where to start. Well, use historical data if you've been in business for a while, or if you're a startup, just use an estimate. That's all. But just start creating a budget. And also monitoring that budget against actual transactions coming in. Lastly, you need to have financial statements. We have learned during COVID-19 and applying for the PPP loan, those businesses and nonprofits who had financial statements were able to get that money right away. And they were able to get that money because they had a business account, they utilize an accounting system, whether that's Excel or QuickBooks, and then also they did a reconciliation, bank reconciliation or credit card reconciliation. So having financial reports is so key. If you don't have financial reports, you don't know what's going on with your business. You don't know what your revenue is. You don't know what you're spending your money on. You don't even know if you're making a profit. So why are you doing business? So make sure you have financial statements. This may sound overwhelming. It may sound like, I don't have to do it. But I challenge you to create a bookkeeping task list. And it may not be that many tasks that you have to complete. So create a task list for yourself. You set each month and say, okay, let me pull up my bookkeeping task list and let me just do all my bookkeeping. If you have someone doing the bookkeeping for you, make sure they have a bookkeeping task list and keep a copy for yourself, because you never know, they may transition on. So as you work through bookkeeping, getting your accounting in order, you'll feel a sense of peace. And what this piece is, you're not stressed, you're not worried. If someone comes to you, a potential investor, you can actually feel confident and tell them, okay, you know what, my sales was down 10%, and here's the reason why. People like to hear that. They like to know that you know what's going on. So if you watch the show Shark Tank, those individuals, they know, most of them know what's going on. So you want to be prepared for the sharks. So if you need help, have any accounting hangups, or need something explained, reach out to me. We can set up a free consultation and get you on the right path. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.